very stronger. Pickup blue, very stronger. A mix of a dark brown is good. If you like, you can a little bit black. See, also good, no problem. So, if you feel too dark, again, you see, oil, very thick. We don't need it. The lights, so maybe later I will wash out a little bit. Oh, from, huh? I can paint this more, but I think maybe I should do something here. But the lines too strong. Something to make the line not so too straight. I hate anything you know, geometric. Yes, perspective, okay? If you like, you can use a knife to grab, but not this time. Why I paint where I paint this a little, I don't know why. Maybe it's for balance a little. If the time I like to paint a little bit, that's for jump. Because I can't, 我不能忍受. I can bear. I can't bear. It's not something is depart. No. I need every time my painting, if I paint something stronger, heavier, I need something to extend something. Then I will feel safe, you know. Maybe I'm very weak. I don't know why. Okay, let's do a refresher here. See? Woohoo! More. There you go. Good. But this reflection not don't to paint so dark. Yes. I made a ground, some atmosphere, something, you know. Don't paint too clear in the building and the row and the building. So if tomorrow will be rain, it's good because everything just broken edge everything. And wet everything. It's very good. You don't need to chew because of that. God will help you. God will help you, and it's free.
What was the first time?
One time I paint a plein air in Shenzhen, Central. That time I painted very good raining view. Very good. Not because terrible rain. The rain will and never dry. So beautiful. Okay, now I think the other is the dry. No problem. So you just do this. I have to tell you one thing. I like to do some detail with the small brush in the side to paint, but I always paint this big side, big. Nice car. You know, I have no car yet. You know, I'm born from a very poor family. Maybe this duck here and balance. Dun 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 dun. See? Oh, not so easy to paint this track.
Love just never seems to work that way, and it's hard to say
Dangerous wearing. Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad. Oh, every time. I think some jug here, maybe. Okay, because it's light, so no problem here. It's dark. Okay, go. Can't you see? Yeah, I can see. No problem. Okay, the first day I told you a lovely story. When I was college mate, when I in college, I rent a room from a family. Then my boss is the house owner, you know.
Landlord.
Yeah. She very kind to me. Maybe you think I'm a good boy. Of course, I'm a good boy. One day, she very kind. He cut fruit, a dish. Wow, apples, and what else? Then knock my door. And I open the door. Mr. Lee. Yes, and Chung Wei. This fruit, this dish is for your friends. I said, but no one in my room, just me. But very strange. I just heard about you. Very noisy. You are. You since bring some friends. I think at least 3.
It's true.
True story. It's very hard to explain for this lady, you know. So I just it's hard to explain, but story not when I pen something, I will talk myself. I very enjoy. The ladies say, okay, no problem. It's also give you. So that night I eat the fruit, so many.
John.
Why you don't care about the car? I can wash out the car, no problem. Or I can do. See, so good. Choo. Don't make anything very too clear, huh? If you paint something clear, choo, or sha. Swa.
Chinese joke.
In Chinese, it is swa. See?